What is welding? Welding is the joining of two pieces of metal together to form one piece by heating the metals to their melting points. Additional metal, also called filler metal, is added during the heating process to help bond the two pieces together. A welding machine is used to create the heat and apply the filler metal. There are three parts to the welding process: the welding arc, the filler metal, and shielding the weld. First, let's learn about the welding arc. Welding machines create an electric arc, similar to a continuous spark that comes from the electric circuit, created between the machine and the metal being welded. The arc is used to melt the metal to be joined. The arc creates heat, up to 6,500 degrees Fahrenheit. The next part of the welding process is filler metal. Filler metal is additional metal added to the welding arc to strengthen the welded joint. There are two basic types of filler metals used in welding: welding wire and stick electrodes. Welding wire comes in two types: solid wire, also called bare wire, and flux cord wire, also called tubular wire. Welding wire can vary in the type of metal it's made from and its thickness or diameter. All welding wire is packaged in spools and is easy to find on the store shelf. The other type of filler metal, stick electrodes, are metal rods about the size of a straw, specially designed for welding. Stick electrodes are packaged in boxes and can vary in diameter and composition. The final part of the welding process is shielding the weld. The weld needs to be protected while it's in a molten state, which is called shielding the weld. The surrounding air can contaminate a weld, causing it to weaken. Shielding gas covers the area where the filler metal melts until the weld can set up. The shield is created by using gas added to the welding process. The weld sets up in fractions of a second, so not much gas is needed. Shielding gas is delivered to the welding area in one of two ways. The first way is from a gas cylinder that has been connected to the welding machine. This is the standard method when solid or bare wire is used. The second way is from a special chemical that's been added to the filler metal. This chemical releases the gas as it melts. When these filler metals are used, no gas cylinder is needed. All stick electrodes and flux cord wire are used without a gas cylinder.